Listen and practice.
The thief and the house dog. One night a thief came into a house. He brought several slices of meat with himself to trick the house dog. The thief entered the house and saw the house dog. Then he threw the pieces of meat at him. On this act, the dog said, "If you think that by throwing this piece of meat you can fool me, you are mistaken." The thief throws another piece of meat at the dog. The dog doesn't pick up the piece of meat and replies, "I am a faithful house dog. You cannot fool me and harm my master." As the dog completed his sentence, he immediately pounced on the thief. The thief got scared and ran out of the window in no time. The master of the house dog woke up on hearing the voice of the dog. He came out of the room and got to know the incident. Then he praised his dog and gave him 2 more pieces of meat to eat as a reward. Moral: he who offers bribes needs watching, for his intentions are not honest.